Divide 912 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 1 and it is 31. 6 times 5 is 30. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down these 2 and it is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting we get 0. So 912 divided by 6 is 152. So this much for today and thanks for watching.